Hey everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to the channel. So with that, in a new year, doing more videos. So this episode is going to be a bit of an update. Sorry, the past month or so I haven't really posted anything. Between family, Christmas, and then being sick, I wasn't doing a whole lot. Plus the weather has been extremely crappy. I mean, temperatures down in the negatives for the most part. Actually, yesterday and today, temperatures have been in the 50s, 60s for here in Ohio. But the temperature's supposed to actually drop tomorrow. So it's freezing rain, snow. So it's gonna be a whole lot of fun this weekend. Next Friday, I am actually going to be on my way to Tucson, Arizona for the Roadkill Zip Tie Drags. So be ready for those videos when they're going to come out. So I'm actually going to get there Friday. So expect kind of like similar coverage that I've had in the past ones. I'll do a day one, walk around video, a day two walk around video. I'll do a video of the fans and fans versus Finnegan and Freiberger $3,000 hoopty challenge. The $3,000 hoopty challenge will again be split into two videos, one of the selection process and then one of the actual races. So those videos will be coming here within the next in the following month and two. So because I'm actually going to release those like one a week. Previously, I was releasing them like one every other day, and some of them didn't really get a whole lot as many views as I would have liked. So I figured this way, go ahead and space them out a bit. That way, to allow people to actually get to view them and see everything. So there's that. I will be doing a video here coming up of my mother's C4 Corvette. It's going to be a kind of like a little bit of a how-to investigation how-to video. She was complaining to me that the door won't open from the inside of the car, and verified that it only opens from the outside. So it's a 96 C4 convertible. So if it's anything like my old 86 Grand Am and my 89 Cavalier, there's a rod in there. Hopefully it's just maybe come unclipped from something in there, and not actually broken. If it's actually broken, that's gonna be fun to get parts for. So there's that. I picked up actually just today came in a dash cam. I was watching one of Street Speed 717's videos here, and he was talking about this Vava cam, and it looked pretty good from the footage he had. So, and he had a discount code on it that was for $40 off. It's $149 on Amazon, and the code gets you $40 off. So almost like a third of the price taken off. And that's like
You are over the speed limit.
Sorry about that. HVAVACAM on that. The code's only good until the 15th, I believe. So I'll try to get this video up tonight. So that maybe gives some people some time to go and get one. But it looks good. It's pretty compact, which looks like it'd be nice. So look it up. Other videos are gonna be coming. Well, because now that my mom's Corvette is over at my garage, that pushes back the Colorado engine swap yet again. One of these days, that motor salt will get done. Let's see what else. I still have several modifications for the Trailblazer that are sitting in the garage. I have something else on my list I want to get that I'll do a video for, but I still need to buy it first. So stay tuned. I'll leave that one as a little bit of a surprise. And really, that's really about it. But yeah, go ahead and check out some of my 2017 videos, all my roadkill videos. I do plan, hopefully, if they do the same exact schedule as last year with the 4 zip tie drags, I will hit all 4 of them: Tucson, Norwalk, Memphis, and St. Louis. Roadkill nights, that's probably going to be up in the air. As far as, I mean, year before they did it on the Friday of the Woodward Dream Cruise, and so that was easy to do. But this past year they did it the weekend before, so it's just a matter of, do I want to go up for that and drive back during the week, or stay up there the whole week? Because it's about a 3.5 hour drive. So we'll see how that goes. Though some other events coming up, the Trailblazer SS Nationals is May 5th. So I will be going to Bowling Green, Kentucky for that, along with a bunch of other buddies. And also the CTSV guys will be coming. And I'm sure there'll be some Chevy SS's there. I mean, if you guys have a G8, bring it on out. I mean, it's all good fun. We go to the track, do some drag racing there at Beach Bend. I know there was talks of using that new Corvette track, but I'm guessing that's probably not happening this year. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this update. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If it's your first, if you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.